Hello, good day to my dearest madam. My name is Dinie Izzati Binti Abdul Mubin and my registration number is 01DKM19F1183. Today, I would like to present about Renki cycle, Britain cycle, auto cycle and an engine, also with their steps. First, a Renki cycle. A Renki cycle is a most widely used thermodynamic cycle in various power plants such as nuclear power plants or coal-fired power plants. The Renki cycle describes the procedure through that a reciprocating steam engine or a steam turbine extracts mechanical energy from the working medium when it flows between a heat reservoir and heat source. The step is first 1 to 2 isentropic compression, second 2 to 3 constant pressure heat addition process, third 3 to 4 isentropic expansion, and lastly 4 to 1 constant pressure heat rejection process. Next, a Brayton cycle is a thermodynamic cycle that explains the operation of a heat engine having constant pressure. A Brayton cycle describes how a heat engine extracts energy from the flowing fuel and air to produce useful work, which it further uses to drive a vehicle by providing it thrust. This cycle is also referred to as the Joule cycle. The reverse Joule cycle has an external heat source in combination with the generator. As we can refer to the note, the first step is isentropic compression. Next, line 2 to 3 is isobaric heat addition, line 3 to 4 is isentropic expansion, and the last step is line 4 to 1 isobaric heat rejection. After that, an auto cycle. An auto cycle explains the procedure through that a petrol engine extracts energy from the working medium and converts it into useful mechanical work. In simple words, this cycle describes how an IC engine first converts the fuel chemical energy into thermal energy and then thermal energy into mechanical power, which further uses to move a vehicle. The first step is intake stroke, as we can see at the yellow line. Second, adiabatic compression 1 to 2. Third, isochoric compression 2 to 3. Fourth, power stroke 3 to 4. And lastly, exhaust stroke 4 to 1. Lastly, engine. An engine in which diesel fuel is ignited due to high compression of air in the combustion chamber is known as a diesel engine. A diesel engine is also known as a compression ignition engine because in this engine, ignition occurs due to high compression of air. In this engine, there is no use of a spark plug for ignition. In 1893, Abdul Diesel invented the first diesel engine. This engine have two types, which are 4-stroke and 2-stroke diesel engines. This type of diesel engines were utilized in place of a stationary steam engine to improve the performance. Next, for the step is first, suction process 0 to 1. Second, isentropic compression 1 to 2. Third, heat addition at constant pressure 2 to 3. Fourth, isentropic expansion 3 to 4. And lastly, constant volume heat rejection 4 until 1. So that brings us to the end of this presentation. I would like to thank you for lending your ears, spending your time and giving all of your attention. Thank you again. Bye bye.